Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fatima Erlina from Indonesia University of Education, BND West Java. I am a presenter and I will present an paper entitled The Constraint of Parent Accompanying Online Learning in the Pandemic COVID-19. Introduction and purpose. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced the government to establish a learning from home policy with an online. Learning from home use many methods in the network or online. Also, many also do it offline or outside the network by way of home visit or segments that are collected by post or to school lunch a week. Learning from home activity require parents to act as substitute teacher at home, especially for kindergarten and elementary school age students. Parents must supervise, assist, and provide guidance so that online learning activities can run effectively. In its implementation, children encounter many difficulties during online learning. Therefore, it is necessary to provide learning assistance by parents. The demand for parents to accompany their children to study at home online because many difficulties. Not a few parents complain about this online learning. The purpose of this article is to describe the obstacle that parents face in assisting online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Method. This article uses a literature review method based on literature on online learning assistance by parents published from 2020 until 2021, based on literature on online learning assistance by parents. Results and discussion. Most parents are untrained and are prepared to carry out online learning assistance due to their minimal understanding and knowledge. They have difficulty managing online learning because they do not have teacher authority. Besides that, there is also a problem with little mentoring time in supporting the online learning process, especially for them who have more than one child at home. Difficulties in accessing the internet and difficulties in assisting children learning due to the lack of parental understanding of technology, lack of technical expertise needed in online learning, and lack of training assistance for parents in online learning assistance. In addition, it is difficult to spend money for online learning needs. Parents find it difficult to balance between their work, caring for children, and accompanying children to study at home during the pandemic. In addition, another obstacle is the difficult managing time and preparing to accompany children to learn online. Parents have difficulty in educating children at home. The obstacles encountered include difficulty in overcoming and following changes in children's moods, difficulty in dividing time between work and assisting children in learning, difficulty controlling and managing children, and too many the text of making parents feel difficult. Parents find it difficult to provide learning assistance because of their low pedagogical competence. Other difficulties are caused by busy work. The most common difficulty experienced by parents is managing work with learning, mentoring activities. Other obstacles such as fatigue. Parents with low educational background have more difficulties in facilitating learning activity at home. They also provide less support and involvement in learning assistance. Another difficulty is the lack of knowledge and teaching skill. Difficulty in balancing the demands of work with the needs of children in learning, such as helping children in completing segments. They also have difficulty in deciding between working or accompanying children in learning. In addition, parents have difficulty in motivating children to learn. An obstacle related to the lack of parental knowledge and ability in education such as teacher. An obstacle in communicating with teachers to inadequate internet access. Okay. Based on exciting literature, the results of the literature review show that parents face obstacles in assisting online learning include difficulties due to lack of content, knowledge, and ability in teaching, difficulties in growing children's learning interests, difficulties in managing schedule and finance, difficulties in accessing online material, difficulties in getting internet connection. Conclusion: based on the result of a literature review on several articles according to the topic with the selected keywords, it was concluded that there were many obstacles experienced by parents regarding online learning assistance carried out during the COVID-19 pandemic. We conclude that parents perceive online learning as difficult and not as good as offline conventional classroom learning at school. However, parents also see that online learning provides more time for the child-parent interaction. Thank you for attention.